Yo, what is up everybody? It is PokeBroYT here and welcome back to another video where today we are going to be doing another Sporcle quiz. This one is Super Bowl winner or not, where you have a list of football players as you can see, and I have to say yes or no if they've won a Super Bowl or not. So let's just jump right into it. Barry Sanders has won a Super Bowl. O.J. Simpson has. Anthony Munoz has. Jim Kelly has. Thank you. Reese Holmes has. Bernie Kosar. Okay. Never mind. Okay, screw you guys. I'm doing this. O.J. Simpson is not. Work done is not. Anthony Munoz is not. Frank Tarkenton has. Oh, he was part of the junior, so has, definitely. Jim Kelly. Yeah, Drew Bledsoe has won a Super Bowl. Torrey Holt has. Priest Holmes has. Barry Sanders is not. Ricky Waters has. Reset. Dan Marino has not. Bernie Kosar has. Andre Rison has. Johnny Unitas has. Michael Strahan has. Vinny Testaverde has not. No. Okay, Mike Ditka has. Warren Moonhat. I thought he did. I think I'm getting him confused. Londanian Tomlinson is not, and okay. I got 71%. That wasn't too bad. But since that didn't take very long, we're gonna do another. See if I can find a Roblox quiz. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Natural disaster survival. Work at a pizza place. That's murder mystery. Press button to set off traps. Is that a death run? People must compete in challenges for the tribal counselor. That's Survivor. Survivor. Add attachments to your guns. Finding other teams. I think that's Phantom Forces. Tape 0. Let's jailbreak. Oh, it said jailbreak. Yeah. How do people not get that? That's so freaking easy. Let's try to find another one. Let's do this one. Okay, never mind. That one just doesn't look. Name these popular Roblox. that survive the disasters. Oop. Seems about paintball. Is that just paintball? Mobile? Every character has different sets of them. Ah! Stealth. Jailbreak. Okay. Case collector. Cause I can see one right here. Yeah. This game is about identifying who the traitor reports to. Like, is that the morpher? Retail tycoon is right here. This game is about collecting ice cream to open new worlds, collecting candy to buy accessories. Yeah, it's Candyland. It's like multiple notes for different note speeds. I don't know that. Candies and reverse mines, conveyors, and furnaces. Is that mining tycoon? Give up. Mad paintball. Lumber tycoon. Design it. Surf Roblox top model. Oh, it's Miner's Haven. Vehicle Murder Mystery 2. Roblox High School. Apocalypse Rising. Ripple mini games. TNT Rush. Speedrun 4. It's a rhythm track. Okay, I can see why this wasn't. Okay. So, after that major Sporcle quiz fail, I guess I'll see you in another video soon. See you.